Let's get started. First, extract the zip file. Folder structure. Inside, you'll find the Revit add-in files, the install and uninstall batch files, a Start Here guide, the application folder. Please leave that one untouched. A sample folder with a sample Excel workbook, and a documentation folder with the user guide and license details. The app works within Revit's own framework, flowing data from project information parameters and sheet collections through to sheets with built-in checks and safeguards along the way. To install, just double-click install.bat. If you don't have a license key yet, skip that step. You can activate anytime later. The first time you run it, you'll be asked for a license key. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll receive your key by email. Just paste it into activate.bat and you're ready to go. The app in action. In Revit, open the BIX ribbon, go to Validation and click Stair Validation. The BIX Stair Validation dialog opens. Configure, validate, comply. Here, you enter your own stair standards in your project's current units. Maximum riser height, minimum tread depth, minimum landing width, maximum risers per flight, minimum railing height, and minimum stair width. The app checks automatically generated native Revit stairs, single or multi-story. Sketch-based runs, landings, and custom stair geometry aren't supported. Click Validate Stairs, and the app checks every supported stair against your standards and generates a professionally formatted, color-coded Excel report. Green for pass, red for fail, saved directly to your desktop. Questions or feedback? We'd love to hear from you. Reach out anytime. Thanks for watching. BIM, let's explore.